Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can post on X, previously known as Twitter, in 2024. It is super simple, so simply watch this video all the way through and follow my instructions to learn how to do it, guys. So in the first step, head over to x.com, log into your account of course, and what you want to do next is click on that post button, on that blue post button in the bottom left corner of your home feed, just like that. And that will open up this window for you guys where you can post your tweet or X message so that your followers may read it on their home feed here on X, or people searching under specific search terms here on X and find your tweet there. Here in the bottom left corner of your message window, you can choose who you would like to give the permission to reply to your tweet, like for example everyone, accounts you follow, verified accounts, or only accounts you mention. You can mention other users and accounts here in your tweet by typing @ and then the username, for example. And you can also, for example, attach an image to your tweet or media in general, like a video clip for instance, or an illustration, photo, or graphic. Simply click on that button here, locate the file on your computer or on your device and upload it and attach it to your tweet. Apart from that, you can post GIFs or create polls, add emoticons to your message or to your tweet, and even schedule your tweet, for example, if you'd like to publish and post it at some point later, but not now. And once you're ready to post your tweet, simply click on post here, and there you go. As you can see, my post has been tweeted or published here on X, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.